Touching more than 10 professional teams to date, RiverKey Creative has an extensive library of interactive games. RKC creates these games, allowing teams and the fans to experience new ways of interacting during sporting events. In the case of the Pittsburgh Pirates, RKC developed a customized Wii game of tug of war for the fans to play. The players were challenged with shaking the Wii remote as fast as they could to try and pull the other player across the virtual line in order to win. In addition to the Wii tug of war game, RKC also created a product in which a contestant uses a Wii remote to shoot Pittsburgh's famous cable cars up the side of an incline. Both games were a huge success with fans lining up to play them. For the Kansas City Royals, RiverKey Creative customized a game built specifically for one of their sponsors, Midwest Airlines. The suitcase shuffle consisted of animated luggage shuffling around on the luggage turnstile, challenging the fan to select which suitcase has the passport inside. To bring the interactive experience to another level, a photo of the participating fan would be on the passport that was inside of the suitcase. Using simple keystrokes on a keyboard, RKC develops games that are simple to operate, which is especially important on busy game days. Creating new, interactive ways to keep fans entertained, RKC has provided stadium experiences that have touched millions of fans nationwide. And continues to ask the question, what will RiverKey Creative think of next?